For the main chart, we have two moving averages. The first moving average is period 21, shift 2, method exponential applied to weighted close HLCC/4, which are the main settings for this Aswesome moving average. It's a small moving average, so it's used as a trending indicator to identify the short-term trend of the market. Then we have the 200 exponential moving average, which is the most important moving average of all the moving averages we have. Very soon, I'm going to release a strategy called 200 EMA strategy that will be used to trade anything in the forex market, either synthetic indices, forex trading, gold, and even crude oil and silver for those that are trading crude oil and silver. So here are the settings. Let's continue. HL2 to HLCC/4. Then the average true range, the period are 21 levels. We have no levels here, and time frame, all time frame, period 21. It's because we have moving average 21, and that is why we have our average true range 21. If you wish, and if you have a trading system that is using, let's say, 20 or 30 moving average, make sure you put 30 or 20 period in your average true range. So nice to have you now. So let's go on. Then relative strength index, period applied to weighted close HLCC/4, period is 1, levels 10, 90, 95, 550. Here are the levels. Time frame, all time frame, style, red. So here are the settings for this Aswesome Volatility 75 index NIFA in 3 trading strategy. So it has some levels too. We have the buy level and the sell level. We have strong buy and we have strong sell. So you have to take note of all this as well. So that's that for the RSI. Then the last one but not the least is our commodity channel index. So commodity channel index is an indicator that is used to basically how I use it in trading crude oil. As of then when I was trading crude oil, I use this to get a better entry on the overall market condition, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it when we reach where I'm going to give you the full conditions on this Aswesome trading strategy. So let's go on now. So we have period 200 applied to typical price HLC/3, levels -100, +100, -150, +150, style green. So that's that. Then here are the full settings for this Aswesome Volatility 75 index trading strategy. So since I'm done giving you the settings, let me go so that we move the conditions for this Aswesome. This is where we got our confirmation entry and just take our trades. So let's go on now. So let's see on the list. Let's check our chart list, please. Next on the list is conditions of this Aswesome strategy. So what are the main conditions for this Volatility 75 index NIFA in 3 trading strategy? So number one condition for this Aswesome strategy, is for you to have a crossover between your black moving average and yellow moving average, which is the first confirmation on our track. We need to have a crossover below this level. You get my point? You need to get a crossover below this level. That's one. Number two, we need to make sure if we have this crossover here, then we need to come and concentrate on the average true range. We will notice that market is moving either from a high volatility down to the low volatility for it to go down, or from a low volatility, something like this, going up to a high volatility so that it will go up. Same thing and same process. Then if you come down here, this CCI indicator, this is where you get your last confirmation. You look at it. Whenever this cross happen, just look at it. You notice that there are something like a zigzag here. The market is dancing around that area, and it was unable to continue going down, and it was unable to come off as well. But it started dancing for a short period of time. Then before you know, the market will find a way, and it will start trending down. So similar to what is it here? Look at it. Exactly. You see, this market have been forming, let's say, double tops here. That's where we get our crossover, and you can see from this strong sell and strong buy on this CCI indicator at this level, it's already showing you a sign of range along the way. So the market is expected to go down. So this is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So that is that about that. And for the zoom level, you can use any zoom level of your chest. Like you can see me, I'm using this second zoom level. That's the one that is good for me. Anyone that is good for your view, you can use it. You see, if you even zoom out as well, you can get some good interest, something like here. You see there was a crossover at this level, and look at this ATR indicator is moving, is at the low volatility here, but the market has turned upward, start going up as if it's going to a high volatility. And also the CCI indicator between this buy and this strong buy and strong buy at this level is trying to turn off and start heading upward to show you that market is changing direction and is looking for new trend. For the CCI, you are just going to look up how the market will move. If it reach a buy zone, it cannot buy again, wait and for a sell signal. If it sit a sell zone and it cannot sell again, wait for buy signal. That is the basic concept you will have about this volatility 75 index boom and crash spike strategy, or I should say volatility 75 index NIFA entry trading strategy. So if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me on my channel. Please, if you have any question, don't forget to comment your question in the description of this video, and I promise to make a very full nice video for you before the next 24 hours. Like some people that are owing me two guys that asked me to let me show you like this, something like this. This guy say, please can you make a video of how you enter your trades, more especially how you do your analysis. I'm going to answer this question. I'm going to use phone and make a very nice boom and a very nice video for you that will help you understand how I do my full analysis before I take any trade, so that I can be able to work with me. So I'm very sure by next video I'm going to answer this question. And since he asked me magic trades, he asked me the question about boom and crash, I will do it on boom and crash. And if somebody asks me about volatility 75 index in this video, I'm going to make a very nice video of how to do analysis on volatility 75 index as well. So nice to have you, and let's go on. So the next on our list is that's the next on our list. That's the next on our list. Step 5, price of the strategy. It's not, it should be price action, not price. This is a free strategy. I'm giving it out for free. Price action of the strategy. What you need to understand, whatever trading system you have, whatever trading system you are using, as far as you are adopting this our volatility 75 index NAFA entry strategy, you must make sure your higher time frame is used by price action before you execute your trades. Let me give you an instance. The basic of this strategy is generally a scaffing strategy. You can use 5 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and even 5 minutes to analyze the strategy and trade. That's how you do it. But if the worst case scenario and everything changed, fine, it will still not bad. You can be able to use price action and get your entry. Let me show you how I did my own on this time frame. I have to make sure I check my overall trend using the 4 hours chart and the daily chart, and I noticed that the market is in a downtrend and there was a bullish engulfing pattern here. So you have seen I've gotten a price action confirmed, candlestick price action confirmed, signaling market is in a downtrend and market is going to sell, and that's why you are seeing this bearish engulfing pattern. Did you get my point? Let's dive in now. So that is what you need to understand. What has to do with boom and crash price action when it comes to this volatility 75 index price action aspect. And the last but not least, I'm going to give you the full two things. Step 5, which is the bonus tip, best time frame and the exit for this strategy. Which is the best time frame to trade this strategy? Basically, as far as I'm concerned, I'm using 1 hour and 15 minutes chart, and I use 5 minute chart for my entry confirmation trigger. That's how I use it. For the exit, I always look for 1 to the short 3 risk to reward. Or after market has formed 3 candles on the higher time frame, I will just exit my trade. Example here. You see, I enter this level, then market has do 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. So now exactly now this market has closed. You see, market has closed right now. Look at it. So right now I have gotten 3 candles after the main price action confirmation, and that will be my exit for it, and I'm going to close all these trades. See, I'm going to close all these threads. I'll close one and leave one running so that I can see. But honestly, since this market is still in a downtrend, I'll just leave this one running. But that's where I book profit. But that is how to exit your trade using this Aswesome volatility 75 index sniper entry strategy. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.